Hey everyone, Tom Kent here. Okay, and in this video, what I'm gonna do is basically show you, and hopefully this is all working because it's the first time I've done it like this. But I'm gonna show you how to do a few things with inside the bot that you may not know already. Okay, so as you can see here, it says back to menu. Not sure if you guys can see my balance right now. Let's cancel that. There you go, you can see it now. Let's just show you team, okay, and promotion. So we'll just let the bot send the banners, and then there's your referral link. Okay, if you click on referral here, you can see your team. Okay, so I've got registered people 186, 35 have been registered, as you can see. You can pick a level, so I'll pick level 3. Here are my referrals on my level 3. Okay, so there's 10. If I click on level 2, there you go, you can see all my level 2s. Just keeps on going. And then on level 1 we have, you can see it says typing at the top. My level 1s, so that's level 2. I've got 71 on level 2. Let's just try this level 1 again. That's typing. Okay, doesn't matter, let's just go back on here. Level 1. Okay, maybe you can't see level 1s right on there, but that's okay. You can see level 2 and 3. If I click on back to menu, finance. So depositing and investing is different, okay guys, on the tabs. So if you want to deposit funds, you click on deposit, select the gateway, enter the amount, wait until the Bitcoin address has been sent, send exactly 0.1 Bitcoin or the amount that you've sent. You can track it on the status URL, and that's the QR code. Okay, if you already have funds in your balance, as you can see I've got 0.09, I can invest that back in. Okay, so the best way to do it usually is to withdraw it out. Okay, withdraw it out your funds. This is the best way to do it. So it just confirms your Bitcoin address, and then you enter the withdrawal amount. Okay, so I'll put 0.05, and now that's being pending. Okay, so that'll be sent to me soon. If I just go back to menu, so I've got 0.04 back in there. If I did want to invest, I'll just show you for the example. Finance and invest, pick a plan. So plan 2 is always better, but that's minimum 0.05, so I'll go plan 1 for now. I'll just put 0.01 because I won't get the 40% bonus if you do it this way. Okay, that's why it's best to withdraw from your funds, and then you can get the 40%. Okay, so when I get my withdrawal, of 0.05. I'll then put that back into plan 2, as that's the minimum. Yeah, so 0.05, I'll put that in 33% daily, and I'll get paid daily for the month, okay? On that investment, so it makes a new file, it makes a new deposit, so that's why you just got to keep on investing every day in order to keep that 33% up there, okay? So if you haven't got your Bitcoin address saved into the bot, click on info, let it load. There we go. Info and then account setting. Select Bitcoin. Enter your withdrawal account. So you put your Bitcoin address in there and then it saves automatically, okay? If you want the support team, click on info and then support. Your Bitcoin account support updates. Oh god. So now what that has done is just change my Bitcoin address to support. You don't want that. I'll update mine in a bit, but that's okay. So to change the Bitcoin address, what you want to do is click on info and then support. And then that's the support email. Send them an email if you got any questions. And just have a play around with it, guys. It's fun. Just see what they do. You know, you could find something that's new. Cool. They're my last deposits, I believe. So yeah. Alright guys, well that's about it for this video. I know it's a different one, me on my phone, you guys seeing the screen, but I got the cable today, so I thought I'll do the video. Anyway guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.